Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will give you an insight into the partition framing mode on the VC-TR40 PTZ camera. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Here is the basic equipment you will need. You'll need a computer to access the camera's web interface. Step 2. Set up partition framing. First, log in to the camera web page. Next, click the Tracking tab to configure the tracking. Let's start by configuring the camera. Select the partition framing mode. And click the gear icon to go Advanced Settings. Now we need to define partition zones in the scene and click Partition Edit. Select Zone 1 on the preview picture, then click Save. Finally, press Done to save your partitions. Step 3. Let's see partition framing in action. To start tracking, simply click the auto framing icon on the web interface tracking page. Partition framing is now activated. When the framing mode starts, the camera will start auto framing. When people walk into the partition zone, the camera will zoom in the selected area till people leave the area. After leaving the zone, the camera will go back to the auto framing mode. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.